Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the sublimation focus. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the best 3D printer for small businesses. 3D printing has become a rapidly growing technology, and it is being widely used in small businesses. The 3D printer is used in condition to provide vast and unique opportunities for small businesses to develop their products. To help you out, we have gathered the best 3D printers for small businesses on the market today and some essential features to look for when making your decision. This printer users should look for large build volumes, reliable and easy-to-use features, and multiple material compatibility. For your need, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can buy them without the hassle. The best thing is that these links are updated daily to get you the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Archidi Technology OneFast 3D Printer. The Archidi Technology iFast 3D Printer is the perfect tool for small businesses looking to produce high-quality manufacturing-grade parts quickly and efficiently. Its industrial-grade structure and second-generation dual Z-axis design enhance stability and accuracy during the printing process, resulting in faster and smoother extrusion of filaments. The iFast 3D printer can print almost all filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and nylon, making it an excellent choice for businesses with the freedom to choose their preferred filaments. With the automatic dual extruder, the iFast 3D printer can produce complex manufacturing-grade parts with precision, making it an ideal choice for businesses that require complex structures. The all-metal high-temperature extruder ensures durability and prints smoother than typical brass nozzles. The iFast 3D printer comes pre-installed with a dual extruder, which provides a print size of 330 by 250 by 320 millimeters. The iFast 3D printer comes equipped with self-developed cheese slicing software, which offers two modes suitable for novice and experienced users. The large UI interface provides an excellent user experience, making the iFast 3D printer an ideal choice for businesses looking for a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. So if you want to buy the Fast 3D printer for small businesses, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Focus 3D Printer. The Focus 3D printer is perfect for small businesses looking for a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. With its unique foldable design, this printer is easy to carry and can be set up in just 3 minutes with 4 screws and 2 cables. One of the standout features of the Focus 3D printer is its direct drive system, which allows it to work with a variety of filaments, including TPU, PLA+, and PETG. Its integrated extruder also prevents clogging and makes filament changes a breeze, while the intelligent filament break detection system ensures uninterrupted printing. This printer also boasts high precision and stability thanks to its dual Z-axis and Y-axis design, sheet metal case, and frame. The sizable bottom space allows heat dissipation and extends the printer's life. Its quiet stepper motor driver module and powerful STM32 control chip make it a peaceful and customizable option for small businesses. With lifetime technical support, businesses can rest assured that any issues they encounter will be quickly and professionally resolved. The Focus 3D printer is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. If you are interested in the printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer. FlashForge Guider IIS 3D Printer is a top-notch choice for small businesses that require efficient, high-quality 3D printing. With its large build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 in /280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, this printer is perfect for producing larger scale models. Besides, the printer has an auto-leveling system for hassle-free, precise printing. This 3D printer also boasts a high-temperature nozzle reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, enabling compatibility with various filaments. The printer features a dual platform and a resume printing function that saves time and filament in case of unexpected stoppage or power outage. To ensure a safe and comfortable operating environment, the Guider IIS has a built-in HEPA 13 air filter that can absorb impurities and gases generated by industrial filaments. A built-in HD camera allows for real-time monitoring of the printing process. At FLASHFORGE, customer satisfaction is a top priority. The company offers a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and a reliable 12-hour response service. Overall, the Guider IIS is a reliable, efficient, high-performance 3D printer ideal for small businesses. If you want to purchase the IIS 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Anycubic Viper 3D printer. The Anycubic Viper 3D printer is an excellent option for small businesses that require a fast, accurate, and quiet 3D printing solution. The intelligent leveling system is one of its most notable features, accurately detecting 16 points and automatically adjusting the nozzle height to the platform with just one click, making it user-friendly for experienced and novice users. One of the most remarkable features of the Viper 3D printer is its exceptional accuracy and silent printing, thanks to its new 32-bit motherboard and high-performance Cortex-M3 architecture main control chip. The TMC2209 silent driver ensures precise voltage output control, making printing quieter and more accurate. It is widely compatible with various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU. The Viper printing head has a dual-fan two-way heat dissipation system, which cools models rapidly. While printing quality remains high, the printing speed is faster than ordinary 3D printers, reaching up to 100 mm per second. The patented Z-axis gap elimination module avoids print layer marks and ensures printing precision. If you want to buy the Anycubic Viper 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Elegoo Resin 3D printer. The Elegoo Resin 3D printer is the perfect investment for small businesses that require a high-performance 3D printing solution for small businesses that demand only the best 3D printing technology. Its sleek, compact design and user-friendly features make it an excellent option for beginners and professionals. With a 6.08-inch monochrome LCD of 2K HD resolution, the Elegoo Resin 3D printer delivers unmatched printing details and precision. Its rapid 2-second per layer exposure time cures resin quickly, significantly boosting your printing efficiency and productivity. This printer is built to last, thanks to its CNC machined aluminum body that ensures long-lasting performance. The multi-language interface supporting 12 different languages, including Japanese, Dutch, Korean, French, German, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Portuguese, makes the Elegoo Resin 3D printer easy to use by customers worldwide, regardless of their native language. The Elegoo Resin 3D printer is a top-of-the-line solution for small businesses. Its cutting-edge printing quality, fast printing speed, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for companies seeking a reliable, efficient, and professional-grade 3D printer. So if you want the Elegoo Resin 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for small businesses. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.